The year is 1975. Roger Taylor was gorgeous, and Queen was killing it, and CDs became a thing. Actually, hold up on that. Cool, Lauren. What? What do you mean? I'm wrong about something here? Yeah, according to this Google search, CDs came out in 1982. Oh. The year is 1982, and CDs became a thing. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my CD collection because I'm a geek and I've started to like classic rock and roll. I know, it's like edgy. I'm not edgy, but it's like, what? So yeah. Let's get started. Make sure to check out my Instagram, Twitter down below for more kawaii stuff and a little bit of 80s rock and roll, just a little bit. So yeah, I've got started a collection. They're over here. Let me show you. So here is my CD box. It's this Elsa one. And here are all the CDs. So yeah. Let's do a CD collection video. The reason why I've started collecting CDs is because I just wanted to get a last taste of music before, you know, it all went away with the streaming and the digital blah 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 blah. I miss actually having the physical CD with me. So this is why I've started to collect them a little bit and listen to them. They're quite fun actually, believe it or not. And so yeah, I'm just gonna go through my CD collection and it's gonna be rad if you know what I'm saying. So starting off we have My Everything by Ariana Grande. This one's really good. It's the one with Problem on it, you know, one less problem without ya. I got one less problem without ya. Ooh, ooh. And it's really fun. Except for it's broken. All my CDs I have bought used, except for maybe like a few. Most of them are used because, you know. So yeah. The next one is my Avril Lavigne CDs. We have Avril Lavigne, The Best Damn Thing. We have Avril Lavigne, Goodbye Lullaby. We have Avril Lavigne, Let Go. I love Avril Lavigne. She's like really cool and hip and stuff. So yeah. Cool and hip and stuff. You know, this one has, hey, hey, you, I don't like a girlfriend. No way, I think you need a new one. I got a cold. So I sound really bad. Okay, sorry. And we have Avril Lavigne, Goodbye Lullaby, and this one has, That's Why I Smile on it. And Avril Lavigne, Let Go, and this one has, he was a skater boy, she said see you later boy, he wasn't good enough for her. That one's a good song too. Then, being my, you know, 80s loving self, we've got The Essential by Billy Joel. I broke this one on accident. It broke again, because I never actually owned a 2 CD thing. I didn't know you're supposed to open it from... No, Billy Joel! Why is he getting abused? Okay. From this side, somehow, you're supposed to open it from this side, and I was trying to open it from this side, and I broke the cover. So yeah, that's groovy. Then we have Bon Jovi. And the thing you can tell with CDs is the much older ones have this black, whereas the newer ones are just clear, like side thing. There's probably a word for it. This one I got, and I didn't even know what the songs were on it. I just saw, like, Handsome Bon Jovi, and I'm just like, okay, I'll buy this. Yeah, I bought most of these for, like, what, $4 used? It's a much cheaper way to get music. I like Tokyo Road on this one. Tokyo Road, doo doo doo. Oh yeah, if you're a widow person, I wouldn't recommend Avril Lavigne or Bon Jovi. I would not recommend if you're small. But I would recommend the Jonas Brothers. Da-na! Da-na-na-na-na. Fabulous boys. This one is such a good CD. I got this one for really cheap through, you know, SOS. This is their first one. is so old. I was a baby when this came out, you guys. Look at his hair. We need more boys who look like Joe Jonas in the early 2000s. Am I right or am I right? Yeah, I'm right. Then we have, oh my gosh, talk about growing up in the 2000s. My Lemonade Mouth CD from Disney Channel. If you haven't seen this movie, it's so good. It's like definitely one of my favorites. Classic Disney Channel goodness. And now it's time for the Gaga, the Lady Gaga. Did you guys want to know a fact? That Lady Gaga's name, she was inspired by the song Radio Gaga, written by Roger Taylor in the band Queen. Oh, by the way, it's Roger Taylor's birthday today, everybody. Happy birthday, Roger Taylor. I do not have a crush on him, okay? I'm a crush on 70s version of him, yes. So, the first one we have is the fame, just the fame, yeah. Tasteful champagne and endless fortune, fame. The Fame by Lady Gaga. This one's definitely one of my favorites. I can put this in my groovy CD player and, you know, dance all the way. This one I bought new from a local shop. I was getting rid of their CDs. I'm telling people, like, actually, I looked it up and these are more popular lately than ever, technically. I mean, like, not to, like, mainstream, but, like, to, like, cool people like me who are different. You know what I'm saying? And cool. Then here's the Fame Monster, the one with Fame, but it's, like, less songs. This one has, you know, Bad Romance on it, and, like, Alejandro on it, and, like, Monster, and, like, all those good songs. Then we have the Born This Way album. But I like my favorite one on Born This Way is Born This Way, and it's really good. Sure, yeah. And then we have my Meghan Trainor albums, CDs. Back a long time ago I bought these when I just started listening to, I grew up listening to a lot of Christian music, and I was like, hey, pop music seems pretty cool, so found Miss Meghan Trainor. I went to her concert. She's so cool. I love her. Very awesome person. This one's so cute. This was her first album. It's so good. I've listened to this a billion times. And this was the album Thank You, which was a very good album. Also, definitely recommend Meghan Trainor for all ages, because she's awesome. This is all black. This, I just never realized how black this looked. This is like emo, like, but it's Meghan Trainor. Okay, and then moving on, we have, is this the real life or is this just fantasy? Caught in a landslide, no escape from reality. The most beautiful band ever. You see, I saw that Bohemian Rhapsody movie and they just took me and I just loved it. So we have Queen, Greatest Hits. There's Wadja and Freddie and John and Brian. Then we have Queen Greatest Hits 2. This one I bought new from a local store that sells CDs and records. And this one I bought used. Queen Greatest Hits 3. He's still so handsome. Why am I always dropping things? He's still so handsome. He's handsome here, like Roger Taylor's the most beautiful man ever. I'm sorry, I'll stop talking about him. Then we got Queen News of the World. But once again, this has like the much older one. And then we have, okay, I told you to stop talking about Roger Taylor, but I have a CD. I have Roger Taylor's CD. And like the only good one on here, no offense Roger Taylor, is Man on Fire. Let's just say he was a better drummer than singer and dancer. Not a very good dancer. Yeah. Yeah, but this one I like Strange Frontier and I like Man on Fire on this one. Handsome man, there he is. And now Roger Taylor leads right into Miss Taylor Swift. Yeah, I like Taylor Swift. Woo! So I don't like all rock and roll. I like some soft, cute pop too. And oh my god, I guess if I like the original Taylor Swift, that means I like country, right? Yeehaw! Old Town Road, you know what I was saying. Yep. So we got the OG Taylor Swift, bought that one used. I like Picture to Burn on here and Teardrops on My Guitar and You Belong With Me and Our Song. And there's so many good songs on this one. She was so beautiful. And see, this album is from 2008. Okay. And then I have the second one, Fearless. This one, I like 15 on it. And this one has You Belong With Me on it. That one's a cute one. She's at a tea party with Bubbles. That's fun. And then we have Speak Now. This is definitely one of my favorites. I love the cover art. Look at that. It's pretty, pretty. Everything's so pretty. And then we have 1989. Definitely one of my favorites. I bought this when it came out at Target back when they still sold CDs. Comes with these cute little photos. And then Reputation. This one's definitely a fun one too. Big Reputation. Big Reputation. I can't wait to get the Lover CD. The only one I don't have besides the Lover CD is the Red CD, which I didn't really... I was like 13 when that came out and I was just like... Pfft. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. I will see you all in my next video. And until then, I love you guys. And stay totally rad, dudes. Okay. Bye-bye, loves. Hit that subscribe button. You know what to do. Yeah. It's so hot here. I'm like sweating ridiculously. Like this whole kawaii room is just like hot. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Okay, bye.